Jennifer, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys products for Melanie skin. If you're a dark skin girl, if you have dark skin color, this video is for you. So I'm going to be telling you the products you can use on your dark skin. You don't need to bleach your skin for you to glow. There's still some products you can use. There's still some things you can use on your skin that will make you glow naturally, and your skin will look flawless. It won't look like those normal dark skin that won't look good. So I'm going to be mentioning products, and the products I'm going to mention, to begin from scrub for dark skin, body creams, and face creams, and also face soaps and body soaps you can use if you're a dark skin girl. So before we get into this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you're new to my channel, subscribe, and also turn on post notifications to get notified whenever I post new things. And let's get into the video. So now, first thing and foremost, you will need to have to glow your dark skin. You will need a scrub. If you are a girl and you don't exfoliate, it is very wrong. Like, it's good when we exfoliate our skin, maybe twice in a week, or once in a week, or thrice in a week. But the normal one, it is twice in a week. Either you're using a body scrub, the one mixed with chemical, or used with making it the one of salt and honey, or you rather use the exfoliating glove, which I have showed you in one of my videos. If you've watched it, with products I use on my skin, I'm going to post it. I'm going to show it on the screen here. Products I used on my skin. I reviewed some of my products. So as a dark skin girl, you will need to exfoliate your skin. If you want to use a new product, or you want to try new things, you have to do what you have to exfoliate. Now, a scrub you can use on your skin, there's one scrub called a cool power scrub, body scrub. You can use this one on your skin. It is very nice. It helps to cleanse the skin, to wash away dead cells, so that your products can be able to penetrate well. Because all these products, body creams that we use on our skin, face creams, they are leave on um creams. They are creams that when you apply it, you can carry it for the whole day. But this scrub, they are not leave on products. They are products that you apply and you will wash off immediately. So this cool pass scrub is also good on the skin. And if you can't go for this cool pass scrub, you can as well go for an exfoliating glove. So this is the exfoliating glove I use on my skin, and this one is really nice on my skin. I don't actually go for those chemical salt and honey scrub. Actually, this one really works well. It really exfoliates my skin. So if you can't go for other scrubs that you can get in the supermarket, you can as well go for an exfoliating glove. Then the next thing you will need to have, a body soap and a face soap. There are different varieties of soap, and I've once done a video of different kind of soaps you can use on your skin. Actually, those soaps are not mainly for either oily, dry, or combination skin, or fair or dark. All skin types can use it. And I'm going to mention a few of them. The one I use on my body, I use the Ashanti carrot soap. That's the papaya, that's the ginger, and other ones. So you can as well go for this soap if you're a dark skin girl. It is meant for all skin types. It is not selective. It's not for fair or dark. It's for all skin types. So this one I mentioned, they are for all skin types. This one would cause harm on your skin. These are not things that will lighten, as it's not a cream that for fair skin, mainly for fair skin. So another soap you can use, you can also go for the Dove body soap. These ones too are nice. You can use them on your body. They are very nice. They will make your skin look flawless and to nourish the skin. And you can also go for the extract body soap. They are also nice cream soaps you can use on your skin. You can as well go for the Eva body soap. If you're a dark skin person, you can go. And for the face soap, if you all know, I use Duo soap on my face. That is the face soap I use on my face. So you can as well go for that soap. It is not meant for fair or dark skin, it's for all skin types. So you can as well go for Duo soap. And now let's come to the body cream. Now, a body cream a dark person can use, a Melanie skin can use. Number one on my list, we have the Nivea Natural Even body cream. Nivea creams, I've always said it, and Nivea cream is the best, and I use the Nivea product, but it's not the one for dark skin. I use for my own kind of caramel skin. So if you're a dark person and you're looking for a good cream, you can as well go for Nivea Natural Even body cream. Another cream you can go for is the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Oil cream. This one too is very nice. It nourishes the skin. If you're a dark skin, sorry, there's a tendency that you have a dry skin, so you need to have look for products that are moisturizing. And these creams I'm mentioning, they are moisturizing cream that will nourish the skin and will make the skin look good. So you can also go for Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Oil Cream. Another cream you can go for is Jeggings. You can as well go for the Jeggings Shea Butter Moisturizer Cream. So this one too is a very nice cream you can use on your skin. And another cream, we have the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Lotion Cream. This one too is a very nice cream you can go for your body. The Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lotion Cream. So if you're a dark skin person, you can go for the Vaseline, and you can also go for Palmer's. So another one, we have the Dove Pro Age Body Cream Oil. So this one also you can as well go for it. I actually love Dove product, but unfortunately it's very expensive around here. It depends on the area. That's why I've not been able to get it. So if I don't see the products, I do go for Dove product. So you can as well go for Dove product. It is very nice on the skin. It doesn't bleach the skin. And please, when you're getting these products, make sure you go to a very good cosmetic shop, a very marketing shop. Don't just go to any branch and buy it, because to avoid buying the fake. And make sure you get the original. Because some people will be complaining that I use this product, it doesn't work on my skin. I use this one, it works. I use this one, it doesn't work. It might be that the product is fake, or and also check the expiring date whenever you're buying a product. You have to check expiring date, because checking the expiring date is very important, because you don't know, it might have expired and you use it on your skin and start seeing different problems to your skin. So make sure you get a good product that are original on the skin. Do not bleach your skin. Don't bleach your skin. If you're dark skin, there are good products you can use out there. So I think that's the end of the video. Products you can use on your skin. So make sure you subscribe, hit the like button if you really enjoy this video. And I'm going to be making a video on creams, fair skin can use, and then caramel skin. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to watch my other video, my last video I made.